In this video, we're going to go over the process of getting Admob ads set up so we can enter the ad IDs into the Ultimate Ads plugin and get live ads on our game. The first thing you need to do is go to admob.com and sign up. After you sign up, make sure to click on Payments and set up a payment method. If you want to get live ads on your game and make any money, you have to set up your payment method. Once your account is set up, click on the Apps tab and add an app. My app has not been published on Google Play or the App Store, so I'll click No. Here, you can enter the name of your app and choose Android or iOS. I've already created an app for this tutorial, so I'll go back, but on the next screen, you'll be given your app ID. Now that we have our app set up, we can create some ads to use within it. Under your new app, click on Ad Units, and then Get Started. First, let's create a banner ad. I'll go ahead and name it UA Banner, and click Create Ad Unit. Once the banner ad has been created, we can take this ID here and paste it into the banner ID property. Easy enough. Now, let's create our interstitial ad. Click Create Another Ad Unit, and this time select Interstitial. Again, all we have to do is enter a name. I'll use UA Interstitial. And click Create Ad Unit. Use the second ID, and this time paste it into the interstitial ID property. Last, we need to set up our rewarded video, so we'll create another ad unit and select Rewarded. I'll enter UA Rewarded for the name. We've got a couple extra options, but you can just leave those to their defaults. If you click on Advanced, however, we have an option for frequency capping. It's set to Disabled by default, but if I set it to Enabled, you can see it allows us to show no more than X impressions per user per X minutes, hours, or days. So basically, if you want to limit the number of times a video is shown to a user, you could enter Show no more than 1 impressions per user per 60 minutes. Then they'll only get shown 1 ad per hour. Or you could set this to no more than 10 impressions per user per 1 day, limiting each user to 10 rewarded videos per day. You can use frequency capping on rewarded videos and interstitial ads, but not on banners. I'll set this back to Disabled and click Create Ad Unit. Again, we'll take this second ID and paste it into the rewarded video property in Construct. Now, we've got our 3 ads set up, 1 for each type. Don't forget to set testing mode to Disabled before you export so that you'll get actual live ads in your game. Even if you have ad IDs entered here, if test mode is set to Enabled, you'll only be served test ads. In the next video, we'll take a look at exporting our project for mobile with Cordova.